This is it. The finals are set. The lights are on. Who is going to win? Celebrating 20 years of FD, baby. 4 rounds, 4 different winners. Send it. Here we go. This is Formula Drift, and we are on the streets of Long Beach for the first round. This is a grudge match. Your winner, Matt the Beast from the Bay, Welcome out to Road Atlanta. This is round 2 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship. Lockett Jr., 2-time champion. Lockett Jr., the Carroll Shelby of our generation right now.
The battles that we had at Orlando, I mean, they were intense. There was a lot of contact with the inside.
Richard Osbo, wow, are you kidding me? Look at that.
You know how Chelsea always drives. It's very exciting to see.
That was awesome. This is Englishtown Raceway Park, also known as Round 4. Simon Olsen, Adam Elsey, neither have had a Formula Drift overall win, and one of them is going to make history. This is an absolute gladiator battle right here. We're only at the halfway point. 4 more rounds, 4 more winners. We'll see you in St. Louis. Send it, Formula Drift Nation.